I'm Cindy Mushet, and this is my daughter Bella, and we're the authors of Sur La Table's new book, Baking Kids Love.
And today we're going to be making corn muffins, which are very delicious for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And for lunch or dinner, you can have them with soup.
Good idea. Let's get started.
Yay!
We have cornmeal, baking powder, salt,
Flour,
unbleached all-purpose flour, sugar,
corn,
melted butter,
2
eggs,
and milk.
So, we're going to put all the dry ingredients into our mixing bowl. We have the cornmeal, and the flour, and the salt, sugar I mean, and the baking powder, and the salt. And Bella's just going to stir those all together.
If that was salted, that would scare me.
It was a lot. Oh, that was the baking powder. We're going to stir that together just until it's blended. And then we're going to combine our liquid ingredients. So, why don't you whisk these together? We'll have the melted butter and the milk
And the 2 eggs.
and the 2 eggs. Okay. Gotta break up the yolks there. Stab them with the whisk.
I got one.
That looks good. Okay. And then, this is a really nice recipe to do with kids because you just stir everything together. No need for a mixer. We're going to add the liquid ingredients into the dry.
And now we stir.
And then we're just going to stir those together.
Oh, wait.
That's okay.
Oh, I thought we were supposed to use spatula. Like, oh, wait. I thought we were supposed to use spatula.
It's all good, huh?
Otherwise, this will happen.
Well, keep going. It looks great. Now this is kind of like pancake batter in that you don't want it perfectly smooth. You want some little lumps in there. We don't want patches of flour, but some lumps are okay. And once you get it nice and mixed, we're going to add the corn. The corn is optional, and you can use fresh corn or you can use frozen corn kernels. You could also put some herbs in here, some grated cheese if you wanted some cheese and corn muffins.
Cheese! Scoop it.
That looks great. Okay, we're ready to scoop it and put it into the muffin pan. Let's clear this away. Oops.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you need this. Let's take this out. Okay, Belle, wait. Why don't you tell them why we like to use that? One second. And remember, kind of put it against the side so they're all sort of the same size. Okay.
Now?
All right, we're ready to put it in the muffin pan.
We use an ice cream scooper so that way they all cook at the same time and also so that way they're the same size.
If you don't have an ice cream scoop, of course you can do this by hand with a couple of spoons. The scoop just makes it easier. So you can get to it easier. You're getting a little crazy there. That's okay. Just wipe it up.
Just move over.
once you get the batter in, you want to look around and see if there's any that are low. You see any that are low?
Yep.
And you want to fill them up just a little bit more. Well, maybe not a full scoop more. Maybe just kind of a piece of a scoop more.
Like this?
Those are pretty big, but yeah. I think that one needs a little love, honey. Yeah, and this one needs a little love. All right. Okay. Now, if you have any little bits that have spilled along the way, and it's fine, that always happens, just take your wet towel and just wipe them up, because they'll burn in the oven if you don't get them up. Good job. We'll just move it around. I'll go in and just scoop them up. Okay, this is ready for the oven. We're going to put it in at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. It's been about 25 minutes, and they look like they're done. So we're going to take them out and check them. And they look nice and golden. The other thing is you can very lightly touch the tops, and they feel firm to the touch. The other thing you can do is you can put a toothpick in, and when you pull it out, it should come out clean. And that's a great way to tell when they're done. We're going to let these cool down, and we're going to serve them nice and warm. The muffins are warm and ready to be served. Would you like one? Mm-hmm. All right, peel it back. Let's break it open. Put a little butter inside. Nice. Let it melt for just a second. And then, muffin goodness. Have a bite. I'm Cindy Mushet, and this is my daughter Bella. This is our new book, Baking Kids Love, full of this recipe and lots of others you'll love. It's available at Sur La Table and bookstores everywhere. Thanks for joining us. Mm-hmm.